Did you know professional dog trainers use a specific 65 hertz frequency to stop apartment dogs from barking at hallway sounds? They place these sound machines exactly 3 feet from the door at ear level. This creates what experts call an acoustic buffer zone. The low-frequency masks footsteps and elevator dings without being annoying to humans. Dogs in these setups show 80% less reactive barking within just 2 weeks. The secret isn't louder white noise, it's the right pitch at the right spot. Your dog finally gets the rest they desperately need.